Hey guys, I have a beginner tutorial for you today that will show you how to create a square knot braid and how to finish it off with a gathering knot. Let's get started. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of 5mm rope, each piece is about 2 meters long. For this pattern, attach your cords so that the inner cords of each of your square knots are shorter and the outer working cords are longer. Fold your cords so that you have 70 centimeters for the inside cords and 130 centimeters for the outside cords. Tie 10 square knots with the 4 strands on the left. Repeat that same process with the middle 4 strands and the right 4 strands. Cut another piece of cord that is 3 feet long to use for your gathering knot. Tie a braid with your 3 square knot sinnets. To tie a gathering knot, make a loop near the end of your cord so that the short end of your cord is hanging down. With the long end, wrap it around your braid a few times. Tuck the end through the middle of the loop at the top, pull the loop through the middle of the knot, and then trim the ends. Feel free to play around with this design and add it as a shorter design on a wall hanging or a longer design on both sides and then attach it in the middle with a gathering knot or something else. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.